Hi everyone! Welcome to the channel Handmade. Today, I'm going to make a crash test of this Russian car, Lada Vesta Sport. Let's see how this can be done in the game beamng Drive. I've made this car of plasticine clay and the ordinary orange plasticine. Also, I've covered the car body with transparent varnish to make it look more colorful and shiny. The wheels are also made of plasticine clay. I think this sport and stylish form is quite suitable for such a car. This car is detailed precisely. The car salon is made with seats, dash panel, and so on. Let's look under the hood to see the engine. Also, I detailed the bottom of the car. I've made the longerons, suspension elements, exhaust system, and so on. Now, I'm going to tell you how to crash it. It will be similar to the crash test of the real car. I've created some kind of track. The RC car will accelerate along the track and crash into the car made of plasticine clay. On the front part of the car, I installed something similar to a tree trunk. Thus, the damage will be similar to those that the car would receive when it crashes into a pillar or tree. The first hit was on the left side. The bumper is bent very hard. The engine is clamped quite tightly, and the hood came off immediately. Also, the front wheel is bent. The shape of the disc is badly damaged. There are small creases on the back of the bumper because of the crash. I crashed into the right side again. It made everything even worse and caused more damage. The windshield flew out, and the roof frame is bent, so the geometry of the body is disordered greatly. It was a very strong crash. The back door was bent right up to the seats. On the other side, the door split at the seams. The roof was very much flattened, and the rear wheel was completely torn off from the fasteners. Damn, poor car. The impact in the cabin even shifted the seat. I can't even imagine what would happen to a person if he sat there. The roof frame didn't hold back the impact and bent immediately. This is extremely severe damage. Now the car is completely destroyed. There are so many bends, I'm shocked. It looked quite good. That's how the bottom of the car looks. It's time to stop this crash test. This broken model will be stored on the shelf of broken plasticine cars. I hope it was very interesting for you to watch how a large-scale machine made of plasticine is destroyed. After all, this damage is very similar to the real ones. Would you like to have a model that can be broken down? I will hone my craft to please you with the new, improved plasticine cars. So if you like my destructive creativity, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. See you!